Moving on to question number 5, that's the last question of the exercise. Here we have to give examples of polynomials where the degree of the polynomial and degree of the quotient is same. Now here the answer is not definite. There are infinitely many answers. So your answers can vary. Okay, you'll have to think of different examples where the degree of the polynomial and degree of the quotient is same. So I have taken an example like this, 4x square plus 12. This is a polynomial and I'm dividing by 4. So when I divide by 4, what happens here? I'll get 4 into x square, 4x square. Then I'm going to get 12, 4 3 is 12, remainder is 0. So what has happened here? You are taking a polynomial and dividing by a constant. Because if I take a variable here, let's say 4x, then 4x, then this will become x. So what happens? Then there is a difference in the power of the polynomial here, and there is a difference in the power of the polynomial in the quotient. So the question says the degree, that is the highest power of the polynomial and the quotient should be same. So you can just take any polynomial and divide by the constant term. Then it satisfies this condition that the degree of the polynomial and degree of the quotient is same. So you can try out with other examples also. Second part is degree of the quotient and degree of the remainder is same. Quotient and remainder is same. So now I am going to do a reverse process. I am taking the same polynomial 4x square plus 12, and instead of dividing by the constant 4, I am going to divide by the variable x square. So what will happen? X square will go 4 times. You get 4x square here. When we change the sign, this subtracts. So this gets cancelled and you get the remainder as 12. So here, what is the degree of this? This can be written as 4x to the power 0. Okay, so this is the degree is 0, not 1. Okay, we will not see the power of 4. We will have to see the degree of the variable or the power of the variable. So here also, what is the degree here? This is also 12, that is 12x to the power 0. So degree here is 0. So both the quotient as well as the remainder have got the same degree. Again, answers are not fixed. There can be many answers. You can give other examples where the degree of quotient and remainder are same. And the last part is you will have to give an example where the degree of the remainder is 0. So you can give the same example because here also degree is 0. Or you can take another example. See, I have taken 15x square plus 15 dividing by 3x square. So 3x square into 5, we get 15x square. This gets cancelled and the remainder is 15. And what is the degree of this? The degree of this is 0. Okay. So these are examples, random examples. These are not specific. There can be many answers as I told you. So you can try to do this question and think of other possible answers also. So with this, we completed this exercise. And tomorrow we'll be doing exercise 2.4. That's an optional exercise. So optional exercise also has to be done, especially for the students who have opted for standard maths this year. Okay. Because now in the fourth exercise, we are going to deal with some more identities, some more formulas where the highest power is 3, that is cubic polynomials. Okay. So please practice these quadratic polynomials so that tomorrow when we do cubic polynomials, you will be in a better position to understand.